How to authenticate Hermes Birkin. Birkin is lined with chevron leather, a goat skin that is grained and not smooth. When standing, the bag should be neat and pronounced without any slouching or bulging in places. The leather handles are also perfectly rounded standing upright. Authentic hardware is usually either palladium or plated gold. When checking the hardware, feel the weight of the lock, keys, studs, and other hardware pieces on the bag. This logo is featured in a delicate and neat font that isn't affected by the texture of the leather. Genuine toggles should have a smooth turn when you twist them, similar to the movement of a watch. The clochette, or leather key cover, is always produced using a single piece of leather that lies neat and flat, never stiff. Authentic Hermes zip pull shouldn't hang down at a 90-degree angle from the zip line. It should remain parallel to the zipper at all times. The color of the dust bag is always light beige or orange with a dark brown Hermes logo on the material, and made of 100% cotton. The best way to guarantee that your Hermes bag is authentic is by purchasing it from a reputable platform such as Tinkerlust.